These are IKON style rear window louvers for the 370Z. I got them off eBay for about $90. I'll start off with a clean rear window. This is everything that comes out the box. Unfortunately, there are no instructions. I'll mock up the brackets and make up a plan as I go. Each bracket has a washer and a capped nut. Now that I have all the brackets mocked up, I'll mock up the louver to the rear glass. I have it where I want it. Now I can go ahead and peel the double stick tape and stick the bracket to the glass in place. I'll do this all around. There's a total of 9 brackets. The brackets are permanently installed. Now I'll trace out the foam and stick that on the louvers. It comes with 2 rolls, which is plenty enough to make the whole parameter of the louvers. Now the louvers are ready for the permanent install. Everything's in place. Now it's time for a final tightening of the nuts. In my opinion, it came out good. I'm sure there are better methods of making this work, but this one worked for me. It doesn't take away from any visibility. And for a cheap product, it feels pretty sturdy. I'm happy with the results. It's been installed for about a week. I've had no issues, no vibrations. Everything is still intact. I've been on the interstate a few times, doing 70, 80 plus, and no problems at all.